Welcome back to the WildFarm Homestead and Off-Grid channel. So yeah, we just fed the chickens for you guys, all busy showing you that footage. Just want to give a shout out to all the people around the world looking at our videos. Please subscribe, we need more subscribers. Yeah, we're going to keep making videos. Follow us on the journey. Welcome back to the channel, guys. How's all the wild farmers doing? So yeah, today we're doing another episode. We got some food scraps. No, doggies. Calm down, calm down. Sorry. Welcome back to the channel. So yeah, we threw the scraps for them. They're all enjoying the scraps. All around. Another day with chickens. Yeah, it's a bit of chaos at the moment. We've got those 5 Brahmas there. But they weren't part of this flock, so they're still struggling to introduce them. They went underneath them. Here they are. These other ones are still pulling them a bit. Come on, guys, come. Go that side. Go to your. Go that side. Go to that side. Go to your. Go to your. Put him inside.
Woohoo!
Give him some food, yeah. So yeah, they weren't part of the other ones. They're growing up fast.
Yes. He's a giant chicken. Giant. Thinking maybe it's them.
Oh no. Okay, so now we're going in for the eggs.
There we go.
Yeah.
There we go, guys. This is how we harvest here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's go to the next one. There we go. There we go. There you go. There you go. There we go. Yep. I think there is one or two this side. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, these days a little bit less because of the weather.
You think?
Yeah, the weather is just Yeah, I closed that side. They're not going around.
So in here we've got some aloe verox. We put some aloe in the water as it keeps them healthy. The aloe keeps it healthy. So at the moment we're still watering with these, but we will eventually make it automatic as well.
Yes.
Sit. Sit for me. Yes, sit. No, sit. Sit. Beautiful day out here. Quite dry, we need some more rain. Homestead.
Yes, guys.
Everyone outside there on the internet, around the world, nice to have you on our channel. For the new guys, please click subscribe. There's a lot of people viewing our videos that's not subscribing. We need more subscribers, so yeah, please
Yes, guys.
keep going.
Please subscribe.
Stay well out there. Awesome, Tompi. Yeah, that was better than the last few days. We've been getting less than 20. We've been getting around 12.
Yeah, I think because of the
Cold again.
Cold again, yeah. Temperatures.
Yeah, and that's homesteading. Always up and down. Farming, always up and down. Then more, then less.
Yes.
Then more, then less. So, yeah, we just came to check now, like, if there's some eggs outside here, because yeah, we had a feeling maybe we had some less eggs because of that, but no, I think they're still lying inside. If they're walking outside, yeah, free ranging in the day outside. Subscribe to our channel yet, please subscribe. So yeah, follow our journey here on the wild farm in Africa, South Africa, garden route South Africa. We'll be posting some more videos for you guys, and yeah, we'll keep you updated. Still a few things we have to change here. Free range eggs going, and follow us along. So this is what we got for today. Food for you on the farm. Well, yeah, that's what it is. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
yeah, we've got chickens on the farm, we've got bonsmaras on the farm, we've actually got some sheep as well. But yeah, first things first, chickens and bonsmara cows. Please leave some comments below if you guys got any questions. Yeah, we're trying to build the channel and grow as we go along. And yeah, it will be interesting and nice to connect with more people around the world. And yeah, welcome to the channel. Yeah, we'll keep you updated with some more as we go along. We post once a week. A long form video, we do more shorts, but the long forms we try to do once a week, so you guys can follow us on the journey. Yeah, so we've actually been going as a accommodation establishment for 20 years almost now. So, but yeah, we've always been farming, we've always had cows. But yeah, this YouTube thing is new for me. And yeah, it's just nice to be creative, shoot videos, make interesting farming content. So yeah, if you've enjoyed the videos, please click subscribe and yeah, follow us on the journey. And yeah, thanks for everybody around the world, America, Indians, everybody that's enjoying the videos. Thank you very much. Much love. we've got this wire up here now, and we're putting the little gate here. And then we're going to put all the chickens this side. Okay, so we made a makeshift gate and fence here. We just finished it now. 1, 2, 3 poles. This way, yeah. So yeah, click like and subscribe. Show you some videos later with the chickens on that side as well. Follow the next episodes. We're still going to be building a coop and all of these things. G'day ladies and gents from a rainy South Africa. Not as much as we'd like, but yeah, a little bit of rain in the air. Welcome back to the channel. The dogs are happy. They know we're on our way to feed the chickens scraps. So let's go. Here we go, here we go. Everyone's happy. Chicken scraps. Always want to take the things. I hope this rain is not going to affect us too much, but I'm going inside the coop now, so it should help us a little bit. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It's not for you, big dog. Big dog. He always wants to eat it as well. There we go. There we go. Lena. So, I hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, big dog, Glenda. Sometimes don't have ears. And yeah, that was feeding the chickens for today. Let's go, my girl. Let's go feed the chickens. G'day, ladies and gents. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we're a homesteading channel. We've got chickens, we've got cows, we've got sheep. But yeah, Merry Christmas. Hope you enjoy the videos all over from the world. There's more for you guys. We'll be making more content for you in the new year. We've been a bit busy with other things in the last few weeks. If you like chickens, please click like and subscribe. Follow our channel. You'll be seeing lots more from us in the new year. If you're new to the channel, we're a farm in Africa, homestead in Africa. So we feed them chicken scraps. And yeah, we're in the garden route, about 4 hours away from Cape Town. Click like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us for more footage, content about chickens. We love our new subscribers. We'd really like to grow our channel in the new year. And we'd really love it if you click like and subscribe. Now I'm going to close the trap door. They've been running outside like mad things, escaping everywhere. Well, they've got a lot of food. They've got tomatoes, potatoes, apples, bread, all of the good stuff. going to close this trap door that they use to go and eat outside. Close it like that. African way, stick and wire, stick and wire. That's Glenda, part of the homestead. Yeah, chase them, don't fight them. That's all from us today. Merry Christmas from Africa. The new year, we're going to bring you more interesting stuff. And click like and subscribe. We appreciate each subscription and each like. Let's go, my girl. Let's go feed the chickens. G'day, ladies and gents. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we're a homesteading channel. We've got chickens, we've got cows, we've got sheep. But yeah, Merry Christmas. Hope you enjoy the videos all over from the world. There's more for you guys. We'll be making more content for you in the new year. We've been a bit busy with other things in the last few weeks. If you like chickens, please click like and subscribe. Follow our channel. You'll be seeing lots more from us in the new year. If you're new to the channel, we're a farm in Africa, homestead in Africa. So we feed them chicken scraps, and yeah, we're in the garden route, about 4 hours away from Cape Town. Click like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us for more footage, content about chickens. We love our new subscribers. We'd really like to grow our channel in the new year, and we'd really love it if you click like and subscribe. Now I'm going to close the trap door. They've been running outside like mad things, escaping everywhere. Well, they've got a lot of food. They've got tomatoes, potatoes, apples, bread, all of the good stuff. Just going to close this trap door that they use to go and eat outside. Close it like that. African way, stick and wire, stick and wire. That's Glenda, part of the homestead. Yeah, chase them, don't fight them. That's all from us today. Merry Christmas from Africa. The new year, we're going to bring you more interesting stuff. And click like and subscribe. We appreciate each subscription and each like. Good day, ladies and gents. It's your man Theo here from the WildFarm Homestead channel. Hope you're doing well out there in the world. Check out the next footage. We're gonna go feed the chickens. A farmer needs his hat. Always wear your hat on the farm. So we're gonna go to the chickens. We're gonna feed the chickens. We're gonna show you our young, our little doggy, Glendy. Oh. So let's get to it. Dog already knows what's coming. Chickens knows what's coming. Food's coming. Some flour. I'm barefoot. Obviously gonna step in the shit again. Okay, no. Got my shit steppers on. Okay, Glenda. Hang on. Max, get No! Come. If you don't know, that was some Afrikaans language. I just told her to give them a fright. Just hang on. Here we got some more scraps. Here we got some more scraps. Who wants the scraps? Who wants the scraps? Linda, no. Not for you. So yes, it's a nice sunny day. All chickens are happy. Still got to feed them some water. Okay, now they got some water. Yeah, they got enough water. How much is in here? Yeah, okay, I'll fold this one up. You think you're not getting hot till you do something on the farm. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. Okay. Here comes Big Dog again. Welcome back to the channel, and yeah, we're gonna show you how we're feeding the chickens, giving you them some water, and take the eggs out, and yeah, show you the whole thing. Let's get to it.
Yes, guys.
Oh my God, you're working hard.
No way. Those are dinosaurs. Look the way he's looking.
But I'm gonna get that action camera.
Yes.
Then you go two.
Yes. We'll be upside down.
Now the ladies are happy.
Then these two was empty. So I said to myself, tomorrow I have to give another 5 minutes extra.
Yeah.
Now it's two, right? You can see. Here we go. Three. Hey. Hey.
Oh, that's funny.
Hey. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Emma girl.
Yeah.
She's got ears. That other one.
17, 20. Yeah, he's tired now. He's relaxing now.
The other one don't have ears. Piggy boy. Piggy boy. Piggy boy. Outside. Come.
2, 23, 24, 24 eggs.
It's not for you. It's not for you. Not for you. Outside. Outside. Both of you. Outside. Outside.
Extra one.
That's a good boy. That's a good girl.
Here we go.
Yes, come on. big boy gonna go check again if there's nothing for him. Yeah, so the ladies are happy for him. You already tested the water. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more chickens and more homesteading. Shout out to all the people in Uzbekistan watching our video. That's food scraps is not for you.
Yeah,
Kito. Uzbekistan watching our videos.
Boy, guys.
And everyone around the world, including USA. Come, outside. You know. Kitty boy, outside. Time to go. Outside. Outside. Glenda, outside. Girl, outside. Let's go.